Howdy. In this video, you will learn about data analysis that informed the SEC about option backdating. As a quick review of how options give executives compensation, the executive is given options at the grant date. The price at the grant date is the price at which the executive has the option to purchase stock at some future date. At a future exercise date, the executive may choose to exercise the option by purchasing the stock at the grant date price. If the executive then sells the shares of stock at a higher price than the grant date price, they receive their compensation in the form of a profit from selling the shares. The lower the price at the grant date, the higher the profit the executive gets at the exercise date. If options are granted on pre-specified dates or on random dates, the chance is pretty low that the executive can predictably exploit the differences in price. Option backdating involves changing the grant date to a date already known in the past that has a low price. This low price increases the chance that the executive makes a profit when exercising the options. Let's turn to the data analysis that informed about option backdating. In a research paper titled Lucky CEOs and Lucky Directors, some researchers found that option grants are more frequently on days with the lowest stock price of the month than they are on the highest stock price day of the month. In this bar chart, CEOs and directors are shown in different boxes, with CEOs in the lighter shade and directors in the darker shade. The graph shows that 12% of option grant dates are on the day during the month with the lowest stock price, while only 4% are on the highest stock price day. The differences are not as drastic for directors, but the difference still exists, with 9% of grants on the lowest stock price day and 6% on the highest stock price day. While this graph doesn't prove that CEOs and directors are backdating options, it does show that option grant timing seems to favor CEOs and directors and raises questions about whether this is a result of setting the option dates after already knowing the stock prices for the past month. Around the same time, a Wall Street Journal article showed something similar. For Mercury Interactive, the article shows stock prices around 3 option grant dates. In each case, the stock price is at the low point for the quarter. Subsequent to this, many companies were found to be backdating options, and lawsuits and changes followed. The sources are cited in the text. I hope you read more about how data analysis informed the SEC in this options backdating scandal.